Words are powerful. They can heal or they can destroy. One careless sentence can burn years of trust to ashes. But the right words spoken with love can rebuild what once seemed broken. The night Anna almost packed her bags will stay in Mark's memory forever. Stay until the end, because what nearly tore them apart and what brought them back may change how you use your own words. Mark and Anna lived in a quiet suburb outside Chicago. Mark was 32, an architect who worked long hours downtown. He often came home late with his tie loosened and his face drained of energy. Anna was 30, a stay-at-home mother caring for 2 little kids. Their living room was always scattered with toys and laundry baskets. From the outside, they looked like a happy family. Inside, frustration was building and words became their sharpest weapons. One evening, Mark dropped his bag on the floor and sighed. "You don't understand how hard I work." His voice was sharp and cold. Anna stood in the kitchen with dishes piled behind her. She shot back, "And you don't see how much I do for this family." Her voice cracked, but her eyes burned with anger. The silence that followed was heavier than shouting. Nights grew colder. One evening, Anna slammed a cupboard and whispered, "I can't do this anymore." Mark walked past her and slept on the sofa. The gap between them widened. Anna cried to her sister over the phone. "His words cut me every day. I don't even recognize us anymore." Mark confided to a friend over a beer. "No matter what I say, she pushes back. Maybe we are just done." Both felt trapped. Both believed the other no longer cared. The word divorce started creeping into their thoughts. At a family gathering, Mark's father noticed the cold silence between them. Later, he pulled Mark aside and said quietly, "Son, your mother and I almost lost each other because of words. Criticism nearly destroyed us. Kindness rebuilt us. Words can heal or destroy. The choice is always yours." That night, Mark lay awake, replaying every harsh word. He realized they had not been harmless. They had been knives. For the first time, guilt outweighed pride. The next morning, Mark tried something new. He looked at Anna and said softly, "Thank you for keeping this house together." "I do not say it enough." Anna froze. It was only a sentence, but it pierced through the ice. She nodded, surprised, her eyes glistening. The following weeks were not easy. One night, after a stressful day, Mark snapped without thinking. Anna's eyes filled with tears and she left the room. For the first time in years, he followed, knocked gently, and said, "I was wrong. I should not have spoken like that. Please forgive me." That apology became a turning point. Anna also began changing her words. Instead of saying, "You never help," she asked, "Can you please help me with the kids tonight? I am exhausted." Slowly, their home felt lighter. Months later, at their anniversary dinner, Anna looked at Mark with tears in her eyes. "I thought we had lost each other, but your words brought me home again." Mark squeezed her hand and whispered, "And your forgiveness gave me another chance." Once their words had nearly destroyed their marriage. Now their words rebuilt it stronger than ever. Every word you speak is a seed. It can grow into a flower or into a thorn. Your words can heal the ones you love or silently destroy what you cherish most. The choice belongs to you. So the next time anger rises in your chest, pause. Ask yourself, will these words heal or destroy? Because once spoken, they can never be taken back. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to this channel. Every week we share timeless life lessons that inspire you to love deeper, live wiser, and protect the relationships that matter most. Share this story with someone you love before careless words push them away.